Welcome to the Tap-In service. Tap-In enables you to automate the way you use the internet. From messaging to data sources to social media to physical devices, the things you can control over the internet are growing each day. However, as the number of things grow, the apps you need to control them will also grow, since each app is controlled by an individual vendor. Soon it becomes impractical to use them all. Tap-In solves this by orienting the user toward their tasks rather than the vendor's app. Tap-In action plans, or TAPs, allow users to create automation processes to accomplish their tasks, no matter how complex. TAPs integrate with different internet services or devices as required through a single user interface. No programming is required. Let's see some sample TAPs at work. This is the Tap-In Systems homepage, which is accessible by tapinsystems.com. To see the TAPs that are available, just click on the TAP store at the top of the page, and you'll see a listing of the different TAPs shown in each of these cards. And I can browse by category or by the types of things that are integrated within each TAP. For example, if I want to see the TAPs that use the Nest home thermostat, I can click on that here. If you're not familiar with the Nest is a thermostat which allows you to remotely control the heating in your home. These are the TAPs that are available that use the Nest. Let's take a look at one in particular. I'm going to look at this TAP, which allows you to use the temperature setting in the Nest to trigger other actions. In this particular case, the Nest temperature setting will be used to trigger a drop cam picture. Drop cam is a smart camera which allows you to remotely take a picture. And what's shown in this diagram is the process flow of this particular TAP. I'm going to use the Nest to get the temperature. If it exceeds a threshold, I'm going to then trigger the camera action and then email me the picture that the drop cam takes. Now to execute this TAP, I've already logged in to my account and I've already authorized Nest and drop cam to be able to allow Tap-In to use its services. So that authorization has already been completed. And I can just then execute this TAP by hitting the play button. What you'll see is the TAP then execute. The animation shows the status of the TAP as it executes. So I've already completed execution. You'll see by the image, by the messages at the bottom here, and by the flow of the diagram that we've taken this path and we've actually triggered the threshold. We've executed the command to take a drop cam picture, and we've sent the email to me. Let me switch on over to my email system, and you can see I've got a new email that's just come into my inbox. If I open that, you'll see this is the email that was sent with an attachment that includes the drop cam picture. It's important to understand that these TAPs are created by users, can be shared by users, and can be easily modified by users. So if I wanted to change the way this TAP worked, I can do that by going into the admin part of the plan and clicking on the process editor option. This is the graphical user interface that lets you control what happens in the plan. So for example, if I wanted to add another step in this process, I can easily do it. What I'm going to do is add the step to, in addition to emailing me the picture, I want to send me an SMS message. So I can add another step in this place, which is to send SMS. You select the different options you have in terms of integration points, and I have an SMS send. I can this will default to sending me the number, or I can override that by adding whatever SMS number I want. And I just will put a message here that says drop cam picture taken. I complete the connections in my graph. And now I have just completed a new tap. I can then go back and you can see the new step has been added, and I can now execute this plan again. So it is that easy to create and modify taps to meet whatever needs you require. I hope you found this video informative. If you're interested in signing up for the Tap-In service, just go to our homepage at www.tapinsystems.com. Or if you're interested in more information and videos describing how our service works, you can just hit the resources link at the bottom of the homepage, or you can go there directly at this URL. Thank you.